Good afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. Today is Monday, the 7th of October. Hope you had a great weekend. Bond market and the stock market have both been looking for something to move the needle with regard to where this economy is headed, and they did not really get it on Friday with the jobs number that came out. The headline number was that we are at a 50-year low on the unemployment rate, which is very good news if you're a stock investor, and you would think that would rally stocks, and to some extent it has, but there was also some internals in that report that were quite weak. So if you're a bond investor and see the glass half empty, then there was plenty in that support to give you reason for pause with regard to the strength of the economy. So we're seeing a very odd situation. We've seen bonds rally since mid last week, early last week. We've also seen the stock market recover the 1,000-point sell-off that it suffered the first 3 days of this last week. So mixed bag where if you're an investor buying either equities or bonds, you're finding plenty in the news to give you reason to do so. And we're seeing those monies inflow into both areas of the market. So we will await further news to see where we are headed. So we will be back to trade issues. We'll be back to geopolitical concerns driving the market and moving them. But until then, we're probably going to be trading in a fairly narrow range. Rates are largely unchanged from my call from last week. We are still low to mid threes on Govy loans, a little bit higher for conventional loans. That's, of course, for well-qualified buyers. In any event, every scenario is different. I encourage each of you, if you do have an interest in finding out where you would be, or if you have buyers that you're working with, if you're a real estate agent and you have buyers that you're working with and would like to know how they would price out with regard to interest rates and fees and costs, I am available. I do this all day long, running estimates for folks. So give me a call on my cell at 210-260-9660, or you can reach me online, as always, at BryceHomeLoans.com. That's Bryce with a Y. Hope everyone has a great week. Talk to you soon.